hours after getting him, the dealer was overeating the turtle. I cannot cook some of the rarest baby turtles. The babies were alive and were enjoying some breakfast. Despite the fact that I brought them their food, the babies are still afraid of me. And I knew earning their trust would take time, because when you're small as a baby turtle, pretty much everything wants to eat. And they can't tell the difference between a potential predator and a giant feed. So I slowly got that voice to be turning their apprehension into curiosity and their hunger into a tool that eventually made us best friends. But don't worry, I got them some other friends too. These are baby turtles, and you can look at the turtles whether they stay as friends or become a tasty snack. These people guys seem to always be hungry, and they become messed with your feet, which is a little the water is getting polluted with unclean food.
So let's attach it to his collar and take him on a walk. Nice, it works. See how these pin are gold? They feel that you can put any object underneath them, and the pin will form into the shape of the object. So I'm going to make one in Lego. For the boards, I'm going to use these Technic bricks, and inside each hole, I'm going to put one of these pins. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at how perfectly flush that is. Oh my god, oh, this is so nice. I could do this for hours.
Tulog na dapat ako.
And finally, I built one more mechanism using these long Technic pieces, and let's see what it does. So here we go.
Okay lang yan, para nakikita niya yung labas.
Wow, I love science. Another thing you can do when you're bored is mess around with your Lego sets. The first thing you can do is upgrade them. Here's a fun master builder because I'm going to improve this set by making it look more like a cave, and I'm even going to add a few features like a waterfall, and also the diamond blocks to explode. So, another thing. Pretty much it's a tiny house with a family living in it, and there's even an interior. But I'm going to channel my inner Emmett because I'm going to add even more stuff to this house, like a garage on the side with a working door. We can also add a car to go inside, and I'm also going to add a basketball hoop so we can store some threes, a sidewalk, skateboard, and finally I'm going to build a custom tree to add on the side of the house. Nice, this house is looking so much better now. Also, when you finish a Lego set, you're given a bunch of extra pieces, and another thing you can do is try to build things with them. Like I made these potted plants, a dead plant, this flashlight, a cupcake, a candle, bowl of soup. I used a disposable piece to hold wands for one of those things you put on your house that tell you which way the wind is blowing. And finally, I also made a gun. At the store, you can also find these tiny bags that have a random minifig in them. Let's see what we got. Okay, it looks like we got some sort of zookeeper that comes with a koala. But another thing you can do is take a minifig and build a Lego creation for it. So I went ahead and built a tiny exhibit with a koala hanging from a tree branch. Okay, it's time for a quick speed round of ideas. So I went to Instagram to hear what you guys do when you're bored with Lego. And we actually had a lot of responses. One of you said to put Lego on the speaker while playing music. Wait for the beat drop. Let's add water. Okay, not gonna lie, that was kind of nice. Another thing you can do is build a catapult to launch a leaf things off of it. Oh yeah, bucket. Someone said you can build a plane stand to watch movies on. This one only took a few Lego pieces, and it actually works really well. You can also take a base plate and fill it with tile and bricks to make custom images, like this Minecraft.
Sama na naman ang tingin mo ah.
Hindi ka nilalaro yun.
Tawagin mo lang.
Summer!
Alam na niya pangalan niya. Medyo.
Minsan lang siya hindi nakikita.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ito doggy.
Gusto naman niya lahat. Depende lang kung anong gusto ng ngipin niya.
Yes, fluffy.
Mm-mm.
Yan, nakita na naman yung paa.
Wala. Sumisilip. Tawagin mo lang.
Summer! Gusto talaga po ka. Why, lagay mo, ano mo kaya dyan, tapos bantay, tatuwag siya pag ginagalaw niya. Parang, ano mo. What is that? Hindi ka kainin.
Whoosh.
Gusto ka niyo. Oh!
Mhm. Mhm. Summer. 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 Summer.
No, pa.
Summer.
Ba't mo gusto pa?
Summer. Summer.
Bata siya.
Summer. Oh ha, napagod ka, diba? Ha? Sino mabilis mapagod? Summer. Summer.
Ay, cute na ano na picture.
Hay, daw yan.
Lagi na yung linalaro eh.
Oo nga eh. Summer. Summer.
Susuisigit din dyan eh.
Summer. Summer. Hindi siya matatapos kakahabol dyan. Hanap niya yung bola niya.
Paala naman. Paala naman. No. No,
Lasing ang puti. Oh.
nagulat siya.
Hindi naman. Alam naman niya yan.
Ano ba yung nagugulat siya minsan?
Favorite niya si Unicorn tsaka si Dalmatian.
So, injection ko.
Bumaksin mo kasi malikot.
Ay ba lagay dyan?
Mo. Nakikita niya yung bird sa labas.
Aqua vlog ko siya.
Hindi na.
Naglawa ko ito hindi. Tapos pinakang ano pa.
Uy.
Tapos tumulong ko sa taas.
Sige na may ano na. Ayos mo sa'yo. Okay na siya. May halika na.
Bakit hindi nakaalis? Ito ang siya. Ba't gusto niyo na ako may iingay?
Mm-mm.
Gusto ko talaga siya stay forever ng puppy. Parang maliit siya na cute, parang hindi na siya lalaki. Pero mga adult na siya, pero ganyan pa yung size niya. Or lumaki konti. Tapos ganyan.
Lalaki naman siya ng konti.
Pero gusto ko parang ganyan siya cute, no? Mamaya. Yung parang ugali niya, tapos edad niya, hindi na baby, pero mukha niya baby.
Mm-mm.
Ang ganyan. Masyati ka ba, diba yun?
Hindi. Luna, wag mong ibigay yung hindi niya laruan. Hayaan mo lang siya sa laruan niya. Wala dapat nakakalat na iba. Narinig niya yung baby.
Oh? Pamibilan mo nga siya laruan na parang paa na laruan para sa kanya. Dahil siya sa mga paa. Tapos ba din niya parang ganito din. Tapos ba din niya ganito.
Summer! Hayaan mo matutulog na yata siya. Konting laro, pagod. Baby pa kasi siya.
So I made one with this small window, a wooden door, and inside I put this bed. Wow, this is probably the ugliest I've ever seen, but it's so this day. We completely ran out of daylight, which means now it's time that all the monsters begin spawning. So now that it's too dangerous to go outside, let's send Steve to bed and get him some rest so that to continue exploring this new Minecraft world. But before we explore outwards, we're going to explore down into the ground. So beneath his base, I built a narrow tunnel with a ladder that leads into a cave so we can go mining. So I built this giant lush cave full of basically every type of ore imaginable, including gold, which is perfect for cooking meat so we don't eat it raw, and diamonds, which we can use to craft even stronger tools, and a full coat of armor to protect us from mobs. Down here, you'll even find this amethyst.
Summer! Kaya mo ah. No? Tapos masak mo siya. Summer!
Yung harap mo. Eh, babalik na. Ano? Wala, di kahit.
Ay, wait. Ano ito tawag?
May muta ka na naman.
Ibabasin mo na ano?
Hala. Ano yun? Hala. May kapitbahay yun. Hala. Silipin mo, bilis. Dali. Silipin mo. Doon sa labas. Hindi dito. Dito. Dito.
Hindi niyo ako napansin, mami. Ano ginawa ko?
Sana.
Mami, hindi ako napansin.
Ay, galit. Ano po, pinatay-ayan. Naamoy mo to, no?
Sarap daw. Pengi ako daw.
Summer.
Pwede.
Mami, di ba sinabi mo? Ba't ako pupusa sa ipa pero hindi na ako nakaroon?
No.
Yun, sinabi mo sa akin. Kaya ba na fish guys? Nanonood ako ng ganun din pala sila.
Pati yung si Sana.
Okay. Diba nga daw siya kumain na to pag nakulong?
May naalala ko ba ako, mami? Ano? Okay, may naalala ako. Lagi po sa simbahan sila.
Kala ko naman matutulog ka.
Bukas na sila ng Jesus na statue. Yes, I know.
Hindi sila tutulungan ni Jesus ba pag pinapalap niya sila nila here.
Hindi, nag-grounded sila.
Good night.